This anti-theft video doorbell mount comes with everything you see here that you need to install this on your door. The way that it works is that your doorbell system, like a ring or a blink, gets installed inside of this casing, which is then screwed into this holder, and then it is not accessible for a thief to get into and take your doorbell. Here you can see me opening up this holder portion of the mount and putting my Ring doorbell inside. You can use the styrofoam bolsters inside to keep things from moving around. Go ahead and screw the back on and screw on the clamp, as you can see here. And here is what it looks like before I put it on my door. And here I am just going to place this right above the lock on my door. And you can see how it is a custom fit once you turn the screw. Here's what it looks like all installed. I recommend this door mount 100%.